Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the battery. It should be on the 4th position. As you can see here, we've got battery percentage option, which is right now turned off, obviously because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. And if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this because it's quite useful. So well, actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.